Hi, I'm Kaylee, and in this episode, I'm going to show you stack bowling. So for this, you're going to need some cups, and then you'll also need a ball or a rolled up ball of socks or whatever you have. Now I'm going to stand 6 to 8 feet back, and for this first frame, we have a 3 stack. So you're just going to bowl until you knock it down, and then we're going to pick up these cups and add 3 more to it. We're going to build a 6 stack for frame 2. Then we're going to go back 6 to 8 feet, we're going to bowl it down. Frame 3 is going to be a 3-3-3. Frame 4 is going to be a 6-6. And frame 5 is going to be a 10 stack. And you'll keep going until you bowl all the cups down. And that is stack bowling.